Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of this video, and as you can see here, it's making spaghetti, just like it should. When you're done putting in the filament here, looks like we have this cool thing. So now let's see if it actually prints. Let's see if whereas Waldo can get this to print. We'll go back. We have preheat already set up, I think. So back some more, print, and we'll run the print that I made for Stevie Wonder Bots. Let's see. It'd be nice to have something running here, like it'd be nice to have an octopi or something. Spaghetti checker, see if this thing makes spaghetti. Maybe Russell will get something done soon. Poor guy's working really hard. He's got SATs. Alright. Should always sleep well, sleep early. Everybody needs their sleep. Okay. Still nothing? What is, it's, okay. It's this is at 60 and the hot end is at 200, as it should be. Oh, looks like something is happening, but not much. The filament is struggling with leaving a mark, but it is kind of printing. Maybe it's just priming it. It just needs a little tender loving care, and something positive will happen. I might just want to restart the print real quick, but I don't know. It might just do just fine. I'll bring the camera closer so you guys can see. Let's do that. Let's do that, shall we? That would be a good idea, maybe. There's some clicking going on. I don't know what that's about.